Hi everyone, I've been asked to go in English, so there you go, just for you. We're just going to see how we welcome guests at Happy Culture Hotel. Keep on and let's watch together.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Welcome to the Hotel Cervantes.
Thank you.
So, do you have a reservation for today?
Yes, I do, under the name Smith.
Smith. Okay. Is under the name of Mrs. Smith Megan.
Yes,
okay.
that's it.
I just need a passport or ID card.
Okay,
please,
sure.
to check it. Perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So, Mrs. Smith Megan.
Yes, that's it.
So, you're here for one night and for one people.
Exactly.
Perfect. So, your room is not paid yet, so you need to pay at the hotel directly. So you take breakfast included.
Yes.
So the totally with breakfast and city tax included will be 145 euro. So do you want to pay by cash or by credit card?
I would like to pay by card, please.
By card. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Do you need the receipt, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Here you are, the receipt.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. You will be in the room 34. So it will be on the third floor. For the breakfast tomorrow is from 7 o'clock to 10 o'clock, and the breakfast will be downstairs, -1. Okay? For the Wi-Fi, so the Wi-Fi is free. The Wi-Fi is Hotel Cervantes. The password just here is Happy Wi-Fi. Okay?
Perfect.
If you have any problems, you call number 9 is the reception. Just here.
Okay.
And the reception is 24 hours. There's always someone at the reception. Okay? And if you want to drink coffee, tea, and water in the lobby, you can drink anytime. It's free.
Okay, perfect.
Okay? Perfect. So enjoy your stay and enjoy Paris.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed this one. Please don't ask me to do it in Chinese. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do it. And subscribe, like. See you again very soon.